some sort of example of where to turn to. Okay, if not Robinhood, then what? What's the most user friendly? What is the easiest to understand? What is the most engaging with the user? And to me, this is the one I like the best.
I get it with my brother.
Okay. What a lovely day to manifest some riches. You know who I am. It is your boy, 𝙎𝙚𝙬 I am here today with some fantastic news. Robinhood's been out here robbing people, not in the hood, or if you are in the hood, they've been robbing everybody. Okay, so while we figure out what's going on with the lawsuit, what they're going to do, what the next actions are going to be, we still have to make money. A lot of us still have money in our portfolios. A lot of us still have money in our option trading. Like, okay, we're still at Robinhood. What do we do next? I'm here with the answer for that. I have suggested and decided that I'm going to be using a few different applications. And the first application that we've already discussed, WeBull. We know about WeBull. You can click below if you're interested in WeBull. They have option trading. We love them. I'm very grateful that we have a sponsorship opportunity with them and that they're here for you. But to me, the graphs are tough to read. Looks like scribble. So I can't really read it that well, so I only use it for, there's a couple stocks I have in there. I put money in there and I forget about it. Let it just continue to grow. I will continue to educate myself as we go. With that being said, the next app, if you're interested in something very, very simple, you could go ahead with either one of the two, Stash or SoFi. Those are both two dope alternatives or options. We were on the verge. We were on the verge of going to SoFi. We were on the verge. But after looking at the UI, it didn't grab me all the way. It looked almost like a Klarna or a Cash App. It's like an app that has other things going for it. We know them for financial endeavors, consolidation of loans and stuff like that. But it looked like investing was an afterthought. And I wanted an app which primary intention is investing and making us some money. So they have good support systems, good security policies. We're not looking to go through no more bullshit, all right? So with that being said, I have chosen the number one app. Drum roll. It is called Public. Yes, indeed, it's called Public. And today what I'm going to do is do an app review on Public, what the app looks like, how to transfer my Robinhood app live from Robinhood into Public. Go check the app out in the App Store. I'm going to pull it up on my phone. We're going to get into it. I'm going to leave what my thoughts of the app are, how I believe the trading to be. I'm going to show you some of the stocks I have on here. Y'all know what my portfolio looks like on Robinhood. But I'm going to show you some of the stocks that I purchased today, what it looks like to get a stock, how the animations look, etc. Okay, so here we go. Who would I be if I didn't put y'all on this beautiful home screen? I mean, it looks fantastic. And no, your icons would not look like this. Okay, but we're not here for that. Let's get to the screen. Here are some apps in which I have suggested. �12 is an app we're going to also be trying for options. I found out that it is Black owned, I believe. So I've got to give it a shot, got to give it a try. I'm going to do a separate video on that and how to do options on it and what the UI is like on that app as well. But for here, we got Stash, Public, and �12, as you see. And you're like, oh my goodness, what is that widget up there? That is another added benefit or bonus of Public. This is what it looks like. The widget is dope as hell. As you see, I have a couple stocks right there. It tells me how much I'm up. And I want to show you what some more widgets look like right here. So you can organize your home screen perfectly. You want to make sure you're set up for success. Whatever we look at in the beginning of the day or consume is going to dictate our morning or where we start. So as you see, these are the widgets. They fire, ain't they? Make the home screen look lit. So when you tap the widget, you go in. But as you see, I have the lock one here. So this will be the screen you see when you come into the app. You have to sign in, create an account. That process is pretty self-explanatory. Fill out your name, your address, all that. Okay. Once you do all of that, now you come back to the video and your screen will look like this. As you see, it has a layout of what your portfolio is up today or down or whatever's going on. I'm looking to figure out who these people are that it has us following. This is where I'm starting to, I'm still educating myself. I just got the app last night, trying to figure out like how can we remove these people? I don't know who these people are or who Brooke is. Sure, she's nice, but I don't really, oh, why am I following her? Okay, so you have to go through, and each person that you see in this public, profile section, you'll have to go through and manually unfollow these people. These are probably some of the creators of the app and things of this nature. But it's super cool. Okay, and you see it has some buttons up top right here. This will have when the market is open. Okay, cool. This is pretty cool. So it tells you there's 59 minutes until market closes. The stock market is open every weekday from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. I have to find out and do more research what their pre-market hours are. I was looking online, wasn't able to find too much, but let's pray that we got some good pre-market hours here. That's pretty much it. It has the top movers, a couple of different markets, Russell 2000. That's pretty cool. So we go back to the home screen. It has this button here, this like thunderbolt, lightning bolt. It lets you sort between the content. So I don't know who those top people are. So I'm gonna turn that off and click most recent. Now it will show me a feed of the most recent updates and posts that these people have. And once you know it, there's the lovely Brooke again, even though I'm not even following her. She's just here. It's just terrific, huh? Okay. So with that being said, let's go into the search tab, okay? You see, you can search for a bunch of stuff. They have themes, they call them. I think, so like, for example, this theme is stay at home. Let's click stay at home. So when you go in there, you'll see it's stay at home. You'll see there's 41 different stocks and 6 ETFs. All these different things you can choose from. You can favorite things and add them to your favorites, and I'll show you where that comes up later. Let me show you what the free stocks look like. Okay, so I want to show you what it looks like whether you get a free stock or what it looks like when you purchase a stock. The animations are pretty damn dope. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you go ahead and purchase a new stock or get a free stock. The animations are fire on here. And yes, I do have a promo code, a referral link that will be right here down below. Click this link and that's going to get you a free stock, me a free stock. We all eat, and just leading you to the lake. So if you want to create an account, go ahead and click my link, and here we can claim a stock. So what I'll do is I'll claim a stock right here and I'll let you see the animations. Okay, when you click claim stock, you're able to see there's a choice of 9 different stocks. I have been running it up on Tesla. I think Tesla is the coolest out of these. So for me, I click Tesla. So this is your pick. You click next. Oh, you got $10. Let's go. The confetti. We've done it. So now you click next. You can pet whatever, send it to somebody else, but that's the stock. So now when you go back to your home screen and you go to your portfolio, you'll see Tesla, and you'll see we've been increasing the position. The stock goes right into the shares. You can buy fractional shares. You can even place a trailing stop loss on here as well. This is another amazing feature. So what you would do is just go to any stock you've purchased or that you have position in. You go to trade, you go to sell, and right before we go to sell, we click these 3 dots at the bottom, and now you're able to see market order, limit order, stop order. Okay, so you have everything in place that you need. If you want to limit, the limit order is when you buy or sell stock if it reaches a specific price at that exactly the specific price. A stop order is where you buy or sell stock if it reaches a specified price at the best time, or no, at the best available price and time. The market order is it'll execute at the best available market price, so you'll get a good price for yourself. And slices is if you just want to do fractional. So that's another amazing tip. So you can also send messages, and you can send messages right there. Start yourself a group. And what I'm going to be doing in the inbox is I'm starting the Manifestor gang in here as well. So if you're a part of the Discord family, we're going to have 2 ways in which we can speak and chat. I'm going to post my moves live in here. So you'll be able to see every move I do for this portfolio. I'm going to post it in here. I'll talk to the group about it. So if you're interested in being that, please click the referral link below. Now it's time to get to the bread and butter of this thing, why you all came here, and that's transferring our Robinhood portfolio to this application. Yes, you can transfer your Robinhood portfolio directly to public. Okay, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to do it right now. Let's see if it's seamless. We'll hit the settings up top, scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to go to transfer my stocks to public. I'm going to click that. It's going to come up right here. It's going to say transfer your portfolio to public in less than a minute. It takes 1 minute. So that's amazing. That is a bonus of this. So this is super cool to me. This is super awesome. Definitely an added bonus. No fees. The current brokerage charges you on the way out. We cover the fee. Do you hear that? They cover the fee. This is very cool. And they have a support team. They have it. It's halfway bot, but as you do the prompted message for 2 or 3 of them down, and then it begins a regular conversation. You can type whatever response or information you want and anything you want, and they'll get back to you. So let's click next. You click wherever we're transferring from. I'm transferring from Robinhood. Majority of us are transferring from Robinhood for the premise of this video. Exactly what we're doing. Click next. Do you want to make a full or partial transfer? So, I think we'll do partial. Let's do partial. Okay, so the personal brokerage. Where's your brokerage account number? So the account number is going to be shown right over here on your Robinhood app. You want to go to your Robinhood application and you want to go all the way to the little picture tab, and then you want to go click the 3 bars at the top, the 3 bars at the top right. You click that, and at the bottom it says account number, RHS. That's going to be the number we enter here. It's now going to take you to this next page where you're just going to fill out your first name, last name, email address, simple shit. Hit next, and then it's going to ask us for a signature on the next prompted one. So now we have to sign. Okay, so here, in order to transfer, we have to take a screenshot of a brokerage statement as well as have the closing balance. So right here it says, after you've put everything through, it says transfer your portfolio to public in less than a minute. We'll take it from here. Your request to move your portfolio into public is being processed. This can take up to 10 business days. You'll receive an email and a push notification when your transfer is complete. So I'm going to do another update video when my account has actually been fully transferred, but at least I have initiated and I've begun the process. I wanted to take you into the settings page right here. I wanted to take you to the settings page right here, and I really wanted you to be able to see some of the other features. Here we have contact support. This one to me is very important. I've already been talking to them right there about a sponsorship, but you can go in here. You can also read the pre-existing articles they have right here. They're already linked up. You can search and type in whatever you want to type in. But you can actually message people directly on here, and it will be bots. Remember, it will be bots for the first 2 messages, but then it opens up to a form and you get the texting or typing. They have the community guidelines. You can invite friends. You can share your link and get some free stocks every time you get one of your family members or friends to go ahead and sign up. You'll see the payment methods. You can go ahead, boom, you can go ahead and get your bank and everything like that set up. You can deposit money, withdraw money, transfer your money. I've already turned my automatic drip on, my automatic dividend reinvestment. You do what you like, but I suggest, you take a look at it. I got the security lock on, I got the face scan on, so nobody can get into my app or access the application. That shows an extra level of security I enjoy. Here, the app to me is very predicated around being social and really being open with what you're doing, what transactions you're making, what your portfolio looks like. So what I want to do is I want to see what public figures come on here of the finance world. What of them are going to be the next to jump on this? What of them are going to show their portfolio? ARK Invest shows their portfolio, and we're able to see and dive in and really get a glimpse and an example of what they're offering, what they're investing in, what should we invest in. And so with this, it's very social. With this, it's very social. And you can disable if you don't want your trades to be shown, or if you don't want your portfolio to be shown. So that way it gives you a bit of privacy. You can trade in peace and still enjoy the UI and everything that it has to go on with it. You see the account statements, your tax documents, your trade confirmations, all the information you would need in order to, pay your taxes and take care of your legal shit. But overall, I'm loving this app. I love how it looks. I love the functionality of it. It seems pretty fast. I do think that things that I would love to improve or see, I would love to see on this homepage, instead of seeing what Brooke does, I would like to see my charts. I can see my increase on my portfolio rather than tell me in words. Let's have both. Or the ability to change your layout or your display, something like that. But I think that's all I have. I would love to see what your pre-market hours are. I wasn't up that early today. I woke up at 6 something today. I want to see what your pre-market is. So please, people, if you know or if you enjoy the app, if you're interested in seeing, using, and testing and experimenting with this app, let me know. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know what you're thinking of it. This is my portfolio here on it. I will be doing portfolio reviews on this application from here on. I will be using �12. I'll have an app coming, or I'll have a video coming for that, as well as WeBull, doing some option plays there until we close out Robinhood fully. But I'm grateful. I love you all. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful video. We're going to check back in when we've been approved and the Robinhood portfolio is, able to be transferred and we can get everything going properly. But I just wanted to touch base with you and lead you, give you some sort of example of where to turn to. Okay, if not Robinhood, then what? What's the most user friendly? What is the easiest to understand? What is the, most engaging with the user? And to me, this is the one I like the best. I've tried a bunch of them last night. I've been on the Acorns and all these other things, and I explained my position in that. But if the customer service to me is not adequate, I'm not interested in investing my money in the company. Because if you don't care about me or how you treat me or other people, why would we give you money? So that's just how I feel about it. I love you all. Please make sure you hit the like button. Share this video with somebody who needs to get into investing or wants to invest safely, simply. You don't want to get robbed by Robinhood or any other people. And you may have been a part of that AMC, GME, BlackBerry, Nokia whole thing that was going on last week. You want to put your money somewhere safe, somewhere that is, just as user friendly and lit. Come on over. Check out Public. Use my referral link down below. It is right there. If you want to join the Discord family, please make sure you check out all the lives, because every time I go live on here, on Instagram, I'm giving away links to show my appreciation. I love you. This wouldn't have been possible without y'all help as well as my help. So that's all I got. Okay, I'm here to keep leading you to the lake and giving you my take on shit. I'm not your financial advisor. I probably never said that before, I guess. But that's all I got, baby. I love you. Have a swell day, all right? Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did!